Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to fix TikTok shop not showing. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if your TikTok shop is not showing on your profile, videos, or even in the search, here are some effective methods you can try. So as you can see, there is an option called shop right besides my home screen. So if this option is not available or not showing in your device, you need to first of all check for eligibility and country availability. TikTok Shop is currently only available in selective countries like US, UK, Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Vietnam, and Thailand. So if you are in an unsupported country, the Shop tab or products won't show. So next, you need to ensure your account is linked to your TikTok Shop. So you need to make sure that you are account binding by going to TikTok Shop Seller Center and make sure that your TikTok is linked with your TikTok Shop. Next, you can also use a business or creator account and check for any policy violations or ban. So this is how you can simply fix TikTok shop not showing. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.